the people in the house, we discovered that all they are liars.
Okay.
So we needed to do those investigations. The police still have to go back to the people and say, look, I'm a story now, and most of things.
Okay. So
which Butelis and Geninda did not do. You understand?
Okay.
Now, you need to have experienced policemen who go there and assess these people, say, no, look here, this thing. Remember, they lied initially about
okay. Yes.
Which is which was the nonsense story and all sort of things.
So
they need to go back to them to say, look, we don't buy the story that there is somebody who came from around coming to commit robbery and whatever.
So, according to you, Mr. Chauke, you are mhlampe ngingasho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi you are saying ukuthi there is no one who came in.
Our theory now, from where we are sitting,
yes,
we suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay.
Not that because umuntu from somewhere as a committed a robbery and.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So if you've been following Senzo Meyiwa's case from time to time, of course, because it's been dragging for so long, you'll be familiar with the now suspended NPA boss, Director of Public Prosecutions, Advocate Andrew Chauke. Remember how Advocate Defo has been insisting that there is a second docket implicating the people who were inside the house when Senzo Meyiwa was killed? Well, in 2022, a letter submitted to the Pretoria High Court and signed by none other than Advocate Andrew Chauke stated that the NPA viewed the second docket as having no merit and distanced itself from any recommendation to prosecute those individuals, including Kelly Khumalo. But guess what? Whistleblower Patricia Mashale recently presented a 2019 audio recording to the ad hoc committee. Please note that it wasn't presented at Senzo Meyiwa's trial per se, but in Parliament.
I sent two voice recordings to Mr. Ramano from Mr. Sifiso Meyiwa relating to the Senzo Meyiwa case. And he asked me to request the committee to please play those voice notes, because in one of the voice recordings is his cousin with Advocate Chauke, who's now the Nkabinde inquiry, where Advocate Chauke in 2019 admitted that the NPA doesn't believe that the people who are currently on trial for the Senzo Meyiwa murder is the right people. It would be better if that recording can be played, with a recording of Sifiso Meyiwa.
Now here's a full 8-minute plus audio. I was just reminding you who's who in the zoo, where the audio is coming from, in case you've forgotten who Andrew Chauke is and how he fits into this whole Senzo Meyiwa saga. In the audio recording, you'll hear Andrew Chauke repeatedly affirming Senzo's cousin that as NPA, they do not believe that there was an intruder. Yet in 2022, the very same Chauke representing the NPA completely distanced himself from the theory, saying it was just an internal opinion, making it seem like Advocate Defo is a mad person for insisting that it was beyond an internal opinion and that there was even a warrant of arrest for Kelly Khumalo.
Tina says we're not satisfied with the investigators.
Obana satisfied with the investigators. So, as Mr. Chauke, you were not satisfied.
We're not satisfied. So we requested them. They must be changed and get another team, and that's what happened.
You know why I'm asking, Mr. Chauke? I'm asking because the older team came at home and explained themselves. We understand which we are this team.
Yeah. Who were those who came?
First, it was Geninda and them, and then the Geninda with Teleze, I think we understand. So now we are now confused with who are the actual people who are the actual people in the case, you understand. But I'm glad what you are saying, which you are not happy with umsebenzi wobuthelezi no Geninda, that
the people to say this is the person who committed the offense.
Okay.
And in that case, the people in the house will discover that all they are liars.
Okay.
So with that, we needed to do those investigations. The police still have to go back to the people and say, look, I'm a story now, and most of things.
Okay. So
Which Butelis and Geninda
yes,
did not do.
did not do.
You understand?
Okay.
Now, you need to have experienced policemen who go there and assess these people, say, no, look here, this
Okay.
thing. Remember, they lied initially about Bakomba, Umunyumfana, Wamakawashi, Lapana,
Okay. Yes.
which is which was the nonsense story and all sort of things.
So,
So they need to go back to them to say, look, we don't buy the story that there is somebody who came from around coming to commit robbery and whatever.
so according to you, Mr. Chauke, you are mhlampe ngingasho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi you are saying ukuthi there is no one who came in.
Our theory now, from where we're sitting,
Yes.
we suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay.
Not that because umuntu from somewhere as a commit a robbery and. Hello? Hello? What is this now? Hello?
Yeah,
about it.
yes, no problem.
What I'm saying,
Yes.
Mayor, is the following.
Yes.
From our assessment, when
Yes.
we read the statements and the
Yes.
people there,
Yes.
we don't think, and there is somebody who came from outside, who's a robber, apparently.
Okay,
It's,
yes.
it's a nonsense story, there's nothing like that.
There's nothing like that.
Yeah. We suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay. So,
So
what,
this is what this crack team must go in.
they must put this theory into, yes, and then from there what will happen?
No, once they've identified who is what, they would have to arrest that person.
So now I'm a suspect and as a dictate.
I'm a suspect. That's why I get it. From our theory.
As
we,
ENPA.
Yeah, we think
Okay.
there is no suspect who came from anywhere.
Yes.
The shooting happened amongst
Yes.
the people inside the house.
Yes. So this new team of Carlos and Knight, do they have to prove that? And then from there,
They will be in a position, the prosecutors will be in a position to decide and say, look, the chap who must be charged, but this one is an accessory like this.
so Carlos no Knight basebenza na yipi prosecutor mawukuthi basebenza ne prosecutor
I'm not so sure. That's why I get to go this office.
The prosecutor.
Yeah.
and which office must. So uShamila ngayenza kanjani appointment na ngoba you know this thing ubaba useshonile ogogo nabo nami I don't know what is happening and mhlambe ngayenza kanjani appointment noKhehla Sithole or uShamila.
You see
So
what is happening?
Yes.
Mayor.
Yeah.
I just do not have the contact details of the police. I expect them that they will come to the family in terms of them being the new investigation
Yes.
team. So
Okay.
if I had the numbers, that's why I'm with a check office file and see if we now our contact number so that we can give them to you and then
Yes.
you can phone.
Can I mhlambe wait for her with time check any number Carlos no.
Mameki, that file here sent to me, do you still have it here? The file.
JJ, office file.
Yeah.
JJ.
And it's not a
And Urmel's message I want to miss call. I can't talk now. I think he's in a meeting.
Yeah, I think so. I think they said they were supposed to attend the meeting in Pretoria.
Which fella can't talk.
But maybe what we should do is try and see if we are able to trace the file either in his office or from.
Or maybe I
guys,
can come back
and then-
tomorrow if
and
you
then-
guys
then-
don't mind.
So that we can give him the telephone numbers of those
Gas
policemen.
Sithole and the police.
Bana ba tlola ta di-docket
Those who
tse.
came, yeah. So I think maybe their numbers should be
So-
in the office. Right?
Okay, you can right now sit in my office and then
Yeah.
I'll go and try to trace.
No, I don't mind. I can come back. Maybe I can stay a day
Okay.
or come back tomorrow. Mhlampe, I don't know if go to JJ low corner or because I just want to meet Mhlampe Ustole if possible. Because mailing it mangwele ekhaya emndenini ngibuyele ne.
No, it's fine. That's what I'm saying. Let me check. If I can't trace it, then we'll make another day. Maybe use as access. Or I'll go and check in his office if he didn't leave it there.
It should get the phone number.
Okay, no, ngicela ukusala sesixoxa nobaba while you are checking.
Hello? Hey. Abshir. If Klaisegel Mijal. Hey. Yeah, Tagwin. Hey. Hey.
Okay. I think we should have come to the
Yeah.
end of the audio, isn't it? Who are the people in the audio?
Sifiso Miwa sent me the audio. He said he's his cousin, and Advocate Chauke was the Gauteng DPP.
What is the name of the cousin?
Siabonga. Is it Siabonga Miwa?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. The first speaker will be Honorable Sokanyile, followed by Honorable Matthijs. And then